twixt the fatal entrance of Duncan under my battlements. Come, ye spirits that tend on mortal thoughts, unsex me here, and fill me from the ground to the toe top, full of direst cruelty. Make thick my blood. Stop up the axis and passage to remorse, that no compunctious wastings of nature shake my fell purpose. No keep peace between the effect in it. Come to my woman's breast, and take my milk for gall, you murdering ministers. Wherever in your sightless substance that you wade to nature's mischief, come, thick night, and ball thee the dun smoke of hell. The my keen knife see not the wound it makes, nor heaven peep through the blanket of the dark, to cry, hold, hold,